Everyone says trading is hard, and honestly, it can be, but not for the reason most people think. There's a specific mindset, one almost every new trader falls into, that makes trading feel confusing, stressful, and often overwhelming. And the worst part, the more effort you put in while stuck in that mindset, the worse your results get. Today, I'm going to flip that on its head, because the truth is, trading gets easier, a lot easier, when you stop doing this one thing. And once I dropped this bad habit, trading became simpler, calmer, and way more profitable. Let's unpack it. So what is the thing that you have to stop doing? Believing that trading is about being right. That's it. That's the lie. It sounds harmless, maybe even logical. We've all been trained from a young age to chase being right. School rewards us for it, careers reward us for it, society praises us for it, but in trading, that mindset will eat you alive. When your whole identity is tied to being right, here's what happens. You panic when trades move against you. You override your stops and try to prove that you were right. You revenge trade, you hold losers and cut winners, and you beat yourself up after every red day. Why? Because deep down, every loss feels like you failed. But here's the truth. Trading isn't about being right. It's about playing probabilities. You see, even the best traders in the world, hedge fund managers, prop traders, you name it, lose trades all of the time. They don't win because they're right all of the time. They win because they manage their losses, let their winners run, and execute with probability on their side. Once I let go of needing to be right, a massive weight lifted. I started seeing trading for what it really is, a game of disciplined execution with a statistical edge. Not ego, not prediction, not feeling the market. I redefined my job as a trader. Manage risk first. Only take trades with a probabilistic edge and follow my process with precision. That's it. Every trade became a calculated risk, not a test of my intelligence or self-worth. And do you know what happened? I stopped feeling emotionally hijacked by trades. I stopped tweaking my strategy every week, and my results got way more consistent. Now, this isn't magic. It's mindset. Casinos don't care about the outcome of one spin of the roulette wheel. They care about their edge over thousands of spins. And that's how you need to think as a trader. You can be wrong 40% of the time and still make an awesome living trading if your winners are bigger than your losers, your risk is managed, and your setup has a probabilistic edge. That's how the math works. But none of it matters if you're stuck in the I need to be right trap. That mindset makes you risk more than you should. It makes you hesitate, second guess, break your rules, and that's what makes trading feel hard. So if you've been stuck in a cycle of inconsistency, if you're wondering why your results don't reflect your effort, maybe it's time to stop trying so hard to be right and start focusing on doing the right things consistently. Manage risk, taking high probability trades, and letting probability work its magic over the longer term. Because once you make that switch, trading becomes way easier than you think. Because when you ditch the myth of being right, that's when you start trading with power. Let's go.